Hey there, future coders. Welcome to Tech Simplified, your go-to source for making technology easy to understand. We've spent a lot of time learning how a computer works, breaking down code all the way to individual transistors. Today we reverse that process. It's time to use the simplest instructions, code, to tell those transistors what to do. We're diving into the basics of Python programming. Never coded before? No problem. We'll take it one step at a time. First, let's get our workspace ready. We'll use a free online tool called Replit, which works right in your browser. No downloads needed. Your workspace has two key parts: the code editor, where you type the instructions, and the output/console, where you see the results. Now for your first line of code. The print function is your way of telling the computer to display something. A function is simply a pre-written command that performs a specific action. Syntax: print, content goes here. The rule: whatever you want to display as plain text must go inside quotation marks. The parentheses are essential because they contain the information the function needs. Let's try it. Just type print open parenthesis single quote, hello Python world, close quote and close parenthesis. Hit run and see the magic happen. Next up, variables. If you want your computer to remember a value, like your age, a password, or a calculation result, you store it in a variable. Variables are like labeled containers for data. The computer needs to know what kind of data is in the container so it can handle it correctly. The two most common basic types are integers int, for numbers, and strings str, for text. Let's create one, score equals 95. And then print score. Easy peasy. Right. Time to put your skills to the test. Create a program that introduces yourself using variables and print. Don't forget to follow the structure. Define variables, then print the final message. That's it for today's video. Practice, experiment, and most importantly, have fun. See you in session 9, Making Decisions, Python Basics 2.